Hello guys, there is some error going on these days in Xbox for Call of Duty, and let me check if I have the same error. I will let you know how to resolve this issue. Once we had the last update, it became disaster in multiplayer. There's some div error, some code is coming up. So let's see how it works. See, when you try to go into one of the lobby or room, you will get this error and it get restarted again, and you will see the div error will come now. Okay, this is div error 6034, and here it keep on restarting the game and you are unable to play again and again. Let's see how we can resolve this error. We go to the main page and we will go to the games and app. We'll go to see all, and then what I will do, I will go to the game, and then I will go to add-ons. In add-ons I will need to check my updates, so I will select this one and it will come all the add-ons. Let's see. Okay, there is two update we need to uninstall, which is I can tell you by my side how you can detect those. Is you will find one which is 3.4 GB multiplayer pack 3. We need to remove this one, and there is one more multiplayer 2 pack, Call of Duty Warzone multiplayer 2 pack, and that one is 9.1 gigabytes. So just very simple, you need to uninstall two updates which is 9.1 gigabytes, and another one is 3.4 gigabytes, and we'll go to save changes. We will do the save changes has been done. After that, what we need to do, we will restart the console. Let's restart the game first. Okay, and now we will restart the console. Now I'm connecting to the Xbox Live. Okay, now here I am going to multiplayer again. Okay, I'm trying to connect it with the room. Let's see when everybody will come to the room, the game will start or no. This hassle has been there since very long, and I have seen that it is still didn't get resolved. I hope it will work now. So guys, you can also see my username is there. If anybody wants to join me in battle royale or plunder or something, you can add me and we will play anytime. and see it, wallah, it's worked. And enjoy the game. Do subscribe the channel and like the video and share it for whoever friend your friend is having this same issue. And see you in the lobby again, and we will play together. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.